to everyone. How are you? This is Joanna, and today I am back with a very short video. I just wanted to share with you the installation of my shower gym. This is something that I located after the previous shower storage that I had found, looking at various channels on shower storage, and I happened to be on Instagram one day looking at someone's scrub video, and then an ad came on there for the shower gym, and it is an little acrylic set that you install your bottles on upside down, and I wanted to add it to what I was doing in my shower. So this is the company right here. It is Shower Gym, and I looked up on YouTube. There were a lot of QVC type commercials and HSN, the Home Shopping Network, but I got this directly off of their site. They were sold out when I found them. I have briefly touched on these for a little while, but I wanted to share with you what it looks like once you get it up if you are unfamiliar. And again, this one is removable just like that is, except for I would have to have new adhesive for that. And that one, I just have on a hook. So these are the little brackets that you get, and there is a little tube of adhesive that they send when they send you your kit. And it's supposed to be removable. I'm going to try to show you up close because I put an excessive amount on this one. This was the second one that I did. I didn't mean to put that much, but the adhesive is a clear gel, and I couldn't pinch the tube to where it would come off. I had to kind of work it off, so I got a little bit too much right there. And you put these up. They give you an alcohol wipe, they give you adhesive, and the instructions. And you clean the wall, you wipe it down with an alcohol wipe, and then you put the adhesive on the back of these little clear circles, and then you stick it to the wall. You leave it there for 12 hours. They said you can take a shower while that's drying. They just want you to leave it for 24 hours. I actually did the top one the day before I did the bottom one, which is why the adhesive is a little bit different. As you can see, the adhesive I have in there is a normal amount. They said to remove it, you just use a butter knife and you pull the adhesive off the wall and you take it off the back of that little thing, and there should be no damage, so I don't know. I was going to put something here and I decided not to because I feel like this combined with all of this is going to be enough. So I'm going to share with you this little thing right here. And here we go. This right here is the actual little acrylic gem. And all we're going to do is attach it on like that because I have had it up long enough. And as you can see here, I did do these one a little bit below the other one because I didn't feel like there was going to be enough room, and I might have gotten this one. As you can see, that little dip, I was worried that I had that one maybe a little crooked. I don't know, but it seemed to hold everything okay. But you can put them side by side. Some people that had a pole like in the middle of their shower area had them on either side. Or you can do them like this, which is what I did. So the purpose of these is supposed to be so that your bigger bottles can be upside down so that you don't have to worry about shaking out product. They do hold a razor, and they hold a bar of soap. I think the razor goes in here, and then your loofah or your sponge can hang off of there. So since I wasn't entirely sure what I was going to be putting on here, as you can see, I just decided to put some stuff there. And I also had to make sure that I spaced it enough. And then I have these bars of soaps here. So as y'all knew, I said before that I had about 30 bottles of open shower gel in my shower. None of those new green ones were it. Mostly none of this was it. It was mostly like some of that right there, minus that shave gel and that oil. All of those little pieces were here. This right here is what I'm going to be working on. So I'm going to be leaving this here to work on this. And as much as I really don't want to use this up, I've got to get rid of this because I just cleared out my rice flour shea. So I do have the mist and a lotion to this. I finished up my cream a couple years back. And I wasn't sure about these bottles going on there. I haven't tried, but this bottle is maybe way down there. So I'm just going to leave this little bit of stuff here around the shower. But I really do like the rest of this. And if I didn't have all of this, I could have probably bought 2 or 3 of these units and just put them in various spots. So I do like them for that. So if you're someone that has big bottles and you want to empty them, especially y'all that have nicer, bigger showers, this is really something great because you can take it down and remove it. They recommend it on the site. Like if you bought a couple of these, you could maybe like do 2 like this in your main bedroom, and then you could buy a couple of other packs and you could put 1 of each in the guest rooms if you have guest bathrooms in your home. So I really do like this. I do think this is enough because any more and I think I'm going to be crowding myself out. But Miss Ashley on here was one of the ones that talked about shower storage. Latoya, and like I said, Renee Morgan talked about shower storage. And after that, I just started finding more things about shower storage, but nobody was really talking about these shower gems. I think the person was actually on Instagram with Tree Hut Scrubs, but then when you hit the little button that tells you what certain things are, shower gems popped up, and then I got on their site. And like I said, they were sold out. So I didn't say too much because, like I said, not a lot of people follow me. But if the right person sees your video and they have tons of followers, I was worried these were going to be sold out. It was less than $45. And I know that PayPal, sometimes, depending on what you're getting, will offer you to be able to split things in 4. I actually have a PayPal charge and I have, of course, my bank account. So if you need to do the PayPal split into 4, I think you don't need credit for that. It just depends on what you're getting because it has popped up on my Victoria's Secret when I was going in to pay PayPal through my checking account. It asked me if I wanted to split my Victoria's Secret order into 4. So there's a whole lot of things now where they're asking to do that. But these are really, really nice. I'd recommend if you like them and you can utilize these that you get yourself 2 sets. You get both of these in each set. And they offer a little bit of a cheaper price if you purchase 2 sets where you get 4. So I would recommend that if you think you will like this or you want to give this as a gift. This is perfect for your kids with your college dorms, in your children's bathrooms, because a lot of little girls have bubble baths and our boys have the shower gels and their little shampoo. So I think this will be beneficial. I just wanted to share that I finally did this and I'm done in here. So until the next time, everyone have a great day.